Vines are a great way to jazz up your gardens, and this Evergreen Wisteria is an excellent choice. Now, some people have a love-hate relationship with vines because they can be aggressive and they do grow, but in areas where you want to cover trellises or arbors or fences like we have here around this patio, it's a great option. Now, this is called Evergreen Wisteria. It has those glossy green leaves that are just beautiful, and right now in summertime, early summer, they're just beginning to bloom, and these blooms are extremely fragrant. You can just smell it as you walk up. So if you want to add some fragrance, some dark green glossy foliage to a fenced area, a trellised area, Evergreen Wisteria is an excellent selection. Some people are familiar with the Chinese wisteria that blooms in the springtime with those lighter colored blooms, but vines are very easy to establish. These are twining vines, as you can see here. They're all just twining around each other. Now, again, you want to use a fence or some kind of trellising, but this can cover a large area and create a screen. And if we have a mild winter, then these won't lose their leaves. So vines are an excellent selection for the garden, and Evergreen Wisteria is a beautiful summer blooming vine. These beautiful deep purple flowers that are so fragrant can be trellised, an excellent addition to the garden. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.